All right. So we're going through the Bristol to Bath trail. Ben is right in front of me. He's got a nice Brompton bike. Let's see. I'm like, oh.
Man, well, you're right. Yeah. You can stop pedaling. You are having on a bike, right?
Ben, I was expecting a high five with that guy. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if you have like, if Brompton riders have like a philosophy. Yeah. Oh, I see the tunnel. Yeah. All right. About what, like, is there half a kilometer tunnel? Sorry. It is. Can be a little creepy at night. It's really damp and they're fresh inside this tunnel because of humidity, I guess. Water is dripping. I wonder what's above this tunnel. I'm gonna check it afterwards. Wow, water is dripping. Ben, I'm gonna take a picture here, like sunlight. Oh, watch out. Picture time. Oh! Oh man. Just don't move much. Oh. Hey.
Is my face cut?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just like a scratch.
You good?
Sorry.
I got plasters.
Let me just get this up.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry.
Patch you up. Let's get you to the side. Okay, let's pick over here. Not on the way.
I think on this thing I should be less inclined because I can't see the whole picture. It's a nice monument. It's called Bath. And the weather got a little chilly, but still sunny. It's warm under the sun.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
the cheapest.
Yeah, it's nice. Nice trail. So this is supposed to be like a steam train railroad, but I don't think this is steam. Yeah, this is not steam. Yeah, this is Really family-oriented trail. Oh, hey kiddo. Stop. Oh wow. That's was. It is dangerous. Wait for the train. No headphones, guys. I'll hold it. Go ahead.
Stay away from the edge, bro.
And I think I'm gonna turn the voice command on this GoPro. It gets really uncomfortable to operate it with a phone. Okay, so this is nice. Sorry. Yep. All right.
And it has a terrace. It does have a terrace. Although it looks more like a greenhouse. Yeah. Could go there. Too late now. We have such a path here. We could turn around, get there, but we're like 4 or 5 miles from Bath. Okay, let's just get there.
So I wonder how GoPro is doing, the audio is doing on GoPro. Really windy here. They say that it has better audio, better wind suppression technology in these new GoPros, so gonna check it. All right, so we're getting closer and closer to Bath now. So we got to Bath now. We're 10 minutes away from an apparently good pub. Those trees, branches. Yeah. All right, slow down. Really nice view here.